What happens when the statute of limitations expires? Have you ever wondered what happens when the statute of limitations expires, especially in the context of estate planning? This is an important topic that can significantly impact your rights and interests. The statute of limitations is a legal time frame that sets a deadline for initiating a legal claim. In estate planning, this often begins from the date of the decedent's death or when a legal issue arises regarding the estate. When this time limit runs out, several things occur. First, the right to contest a will or challenge the distribution of assets is lost. This means that beneficiaries, heirs, or anyone interested in the estate can no longer bring their concerns to court. If they try to do so after the deadline, the court will typically refuse to hear their case. Additionally, any actions taken by the executor or administrator of the estate become final. This means that distributions made according to the will or estate law will remain with the recipients. If someone misses the deadline, they may lose their chance to receive an inheritance or correct any mistakes in how the estate was managed. However, there are exceptions to this rule. In certain situations, the statute of limitations can be paused or extended, a process known as tolling. This can happen if there is fraud involved, if someone lacked legal capacity, or if a claimant was unaware of their rights. But not every case qualifies for tolling, so it is essential to understand the specifics involved. In practical terms, this means that if you suspect any issues with a will or how an estate is being managed, it is crucial to act quickly. Consulting with an experienced estate attorney can help clarify your rights and options. Executors have their own deadlines to manage estates, often within a few months to a few years, depending on where you live. It is also important to remember that once the statute of limitations expires, the administration of the estate is generally considered complete. This can affect strategies for asset protection and how family disputes are resolved. In essence, once the statute of limitations runs out in estate matters, the opportunity to legally challenge or alter the estate distribution is gone. This makes timely action vital for protecting your inheritance and rights under wills and trusts.